Shandong, Best Import and Export Company Limited, located in Linyi City, Shandong Province, China, is an advanced trader of wood plastic composite, WPC, and PVC marble sheet products. Our products have been exported to more than 90 countries around the world and have been widely recognized by customers both in terms of production quality and our services. We adhere to the customer-first business philosophy, focus on customer needs, and provide high-quality products and market competitiveness price. Products include WPC indoor products, WPC outdoor products, SPC floor, PVC marble, WPC, PVC foam boards, PU stone, and PU soft stone. Our products are available in a variety of styles and patterns for consumers to use on paneling, ceilings, and walls, suitable for homes, commercial buildings, offices, hotels, restaurants, resorts, airports, train stations, and religious places. We continues to focus on the research, development, and design of green building materials and provide you with low maintenance, high quality, environmentally friendly indoor and outdoor decoration solutions. BEST has a well-organized organizational structure. The headquarters office provides leadership for corporate affairs and customer service support. Cooperation Factories is responsible for order production and delivery arrangements. All departments are closely connected and operate in an orderly manner. At Shandong Best Import and Export Company Limited, every member has a professional service spirit and is committed to providing the ultimate customer experience.